Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be discussing how to get paid on Whop. So let's get right into it. So Whop is a platform where creators and entrepreneurs can sell digital products and services and more. It's popular for selling things like ebooks, courses and exclusive content. But the most important part is how to get paid for your hard work. The first thing is sign up on Whop, head to the website and click sign up. Enter your details. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can manage your products and sales. Now, to start getting paid, go to the payment settings section of your dashboard. Here you'll link your payment account. Whop integrates with popular payment providers like Stripe, PayPal, so choose one that works best for you. Once you select your preferred provider, follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your account securely. So you'll need to set up your product, your service, and click on your create product. Then add the product's name, description, and upload any necessary files or images. Make sure to set your price and you're good to go. Whop takes a small transaction fee, so make sure you factor that into your pricing. So as sales come in, you can track them through the sales dashboard. Once you're ready to receive your earnings, go to the payout section and you can request a payout through your connected payment method. Keep in mind, Whop typically processes payment on a bi-weekly or a monthly schedule, depending on your chosen plan. So you'll get your payment bi-weekly or monthly, depends on the plan you choose. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. For further information, you can also go on Whop website and go search whop.com/gettingpaid.com. Or you can just go on their article on the vlogging website and go search this. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.